Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Good evening,
Good evening. Good evening, good evening,
we
good
meet
evening.
again. Good evening
Oo,
to our
ulit
listeners.
tayo. Ha,
Yes.
wait lang.
So another topic.
Yeah. Ayun, saglit. Yung mga, yung mga people. Oh, let us start. Ayan, andyan na ang ating mga audience. Nauna na si Jen. Hi, Jen! Ayan. May mga audience tayo ngayon.
Hello.
Manonood daw sila. Ayan.
Yeah. Actually, hindi ko siya nila nakikita.
Hindi mo sila nakikita. Ako nakikita ko. Ayan o. Yan ang mga kasama ko
Wow.
sa Popo.
Hello,
Sila yung mga
everyone.
kasama ko.
Kindly like and share our live na
Oo, please like and share yung
give
live
your
para po
giggles with
mapanood
us.
ng iba.
Like and share. And then later on, while we're having our ano ba yon?
Q&A.
Sharing of thoughts,
Oo. Sharing of thoughts.
Q&A.
Mm.
You can you can also share by posting a comment. Then
Oo.
we'll try to
Ayan.
answer it.
Hi Jen.
So
Hello.
Miss Ka, so ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin this night?
Ay, sabi mo kanina. Ay, by the
Our
way,
podcast is about what?
it's
Ah,
about tarot cards. By the way, disclaimer lang po ha. Sa mga nanonood, napag-uusapan lang po namin ito. Hindi naman po ibig
yes, yes,
sabihin
yes.
na dahil napag-uusapan, yun na yung paniniwala. No, napag-uusapan lang. We talk about different topics kasi for the past few podcasts it's about hugot and life. So para maiba, naghanap kami ng ibang topic. So this is the topic we found. Actually, si Sir Edison Dizon, siya yung naghanap ng topic. Siya talaga yung ano bang tawag nito? Siya talaga yung naghahanap ng topic. Ako yung tagasagot ng topic. Ayan. Pero later on, baka magtatanong din ako, you know.
Yes, Miss Ka, you are free to ask your questions, then we'll try to answer, by giving our perspective, our views on it. Uh,
Yeah.
then
Disclaimer.
so yeah. So perhaps we can start now. The first question is, what are tarot cards ba talaga? So, and how, paano ba to? And how did they became popular, no, as a tool for guidance and self-reflection? Kasi, these past few podcasts natin, di ba? Para more on, ano nga siya, yung nasabi mo kanina, more on hugot, tapos, more on, ano yun, more on life, we talk about life, para mga more on about life and its meaning, di ba? So
Oo.
tonight, no, we're going to talk about tarot cards, where we're going to submerge, no, some of things na we have to, yun nga, pag-usapan lang, pero this is our lang naman. Kasi if hindi ninyo alam, Miss Ka and I, no, paano ba yun? Parang we're using tarot cards na for a years, diba? So if my memory serves me right, siguro,
Pero
I
matagal na
use
rin,
tarot card
matagal na
na
rin akong
for ano, oo,
actually matagal na akong hindi gumagamit ng card.
oo. But ako naman kasi I use card, but ano lang yung parang self-guidance, parang gano'n. Yung parang
Oh, okay.
we siyempre 'di ba, our intuition, we sometimes 'di ba, minsan ano tayo yung there's a lot of thing that we look for a sign gano'n. So sometimes 'no, I just use this tarot card uh to have this or to parang to answer certain questions 'no that bother my mind. So minsan lang naman.
Ayan.
So for you Miss Kano, kasi for what I understand kasi 'no, tarot cards are a deck, 'di ba? A deck of cards with different
Yes,
symbols and
they are a
meanings
deck
that
of cards.
people use 'no for guidance and reflection. And I think parang they became popular no because many people find no parang comfort in using them to parang to ano ba yon to explore no their thoughts no feelings and of course no yung mga life situations no in my experience no personally no people are often drawn to tarot because it encourages them parang gano'n no to look at things from different perspective and reflect uh, on their personal journey 'di ba sabi ko nga kanina no we use or I use it to parang to uh, for a self-guidance, no? For a self-reflection, no?
Yeah, you can
So
use
how
them
about
for
this ka? Ano ba yung perspective mo?
uh, before I answer the question, hi Cecilia and Jen Rodriguez. Hello po. Kindly share po this live. Ayan, para maraming manood, marami tayo dito. And if you have any questions or any suggestion, just post a comment. Ayan. So, to answer that question, tarot cards are a set of 78, if I'm not mistaken, 78 illustrated cards. And they are divided into two main groups, di ba? We have major arcana, which are 22
Mm. And
cards
minor.
represent.
Yeah.
Yeah. The major arcana represents the life themes, ayan, yung mga spiritual lessons, and the minor arcana, which are 56 cards, reflecting everyday situation. So each card has a symbolic imagery and meaning that can be interpreted in different ways. Ayan. So, paiba-iba po sila ng interpretation actually. Ang origin ng tarot cards, if I'm not mistaken, they were originated in 14th to 15th century. That was first viewed in, I think, Europe. And then, in the 18th and 19th century, ayan na, nandyan na yung mga astrology, andyan na yung mga alchemy, reinterpreting the cards as a system of wisdom or symbolism. In the early 19th or early 20th century, groups like Order of the Golden Dawn formulated the tarot meaning and card spread. Ayan, dito na nagsimula yung mga spreads, making it structure, and famous was yung kay Rider. 'Di ba? Yung kay
Rider
Rider,
Way, di ba? Oo.
that was been famous in 1910. Ang tagal na niya, di ba?
Mm.
In modern times, meron na tayong mga books, yung mga insights nila, di ba? So, those are tarot cards. And Actually, hindi naman sinasabi na kailangan mong paniwalaan ng tarot card. Kasi if you will look at, if you're going to read it in the Bible, hindi talaga sila allowed sa,
Yeah.
sa biblical. Okay, in biblical. Kaya lang, of course, people nowadays, pag naghahanap sila ng guidance or pag naghahanap sila ng, ano ba, um, yung feeling nila, yung gut feeling nila, gusto
They,
nilang
oo. If
ma-assure.
they seek, parang if they seek answers to
Yes,
uncertain questions, parang gano'n, no? They use this card as, yung parang as a medium, no?
yes. Sa mga nanonood, actually tarot cards po, ginagamit po nila pag may question sila, for example, yes or no questions, ganun, tungkol sa life nila. O kaya pag kinakabahan sila, ano ba, positive ba or negative ba, ganun. So, yun ang gamit po talaga ng tarot card sa iba. Ayan. So, if you're going to use them in a proper way, better. But if you're going to use them like yung mga occult, yung mga yun, hindi po talaga maganda yun. Yun lang. Ayan, may tawag na yata. Uy, ba't ka tumatawag sa akin?
Ako, no. Hindi. So, minsan kasi yung Miss Ka, minsan kasi nami-misinterpret nila yon, no? Yung pag tarot card, parang ginagamit na agad siya sa witchcraft, which is no, di ba? Minsan, we use tarot cards, no, to seek guidance, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi
Like
parang
what
yun na
I,
yung notions ng society. Once na ginamit mo, parang nasa in you're practicing witchcraft, parang ganon. Di ba? Which is,
oo,
hindi naman. Di ba?
yes. Like what I've said, even though na, yan nga, napag-uusapan, iba pa rin kapag yung talagang main guidance mo is the Word of God, ganun. Pero ito, napag-uusapan lang siya
Yes.
na kasi ito yung madalas na nagagamit na ng tao ngayon eh. Ito yung kumbaga dito sila nakakahanap ng di ko alam kung
Mm-mm.
libangan ba or yeah, guidance. Kasi hindi naman kasi talaga pinipredict ng tarot cards yung future mo eh. Ganon. Hindi niya na
Mm. Kasi
kung
alam mo, in ancient times kasi, parang, oo, parang they use these cards, no, parang as entertainment. So like for example, if there's a party, no, actually hindi lang tarot cards, Miss Ka. Ah, I do have also a reference wherein, no, na may nabasa ako na not only tarot cards. So if there's a feast in their in their place, parang not only the tarot cards yung ginagamit nila. Sometimes sa cup of tea, parang merong something doon na cup of tea, no, that they will going to use that, no, to parang ginagawa nila siyang libangan, no, instead of using cards as play cards, parang they use tarot cards, no, just to entertain, parang ganon. But not
oo,
really a witchcrafty, parang ganon, hindi naman siya.
oo. Like, yun na nga, nasa sa tao lang naman kasi. Depende sa tao
Mm.
kung saan niya gagamitin yun.
On
Kung ano ba yung
totoo
tingin niya
yun.
doon.
So, yeah, yeah. So, for you ba, Miss Ka, do you believe that tarot cards ba can predict, can really, parang ganun, can really predict, or do they simply help people, understand their current situation better? Ako kasi, no, personally, no, I don't see tarot card as something that can accurately, no, predict the future, no. Instead, I believe they help, no, people. Siyempre, better understand their parang their current situation ba, no? Ano pa ba mga
Mhm.
emotions and possible choices, 'di ba? So, ako personally, when I've seen tarot card readings, no, they seem more like a tool, no, parang ganun, a tool for reflection, a tool that can reflect than a way to know parang exactly what will happen, parang gano'n, no? And I think the cards, no, encourage people, no, to think deeply about their circumstances and make more informed, no, to their decisions, no? Eh, kasi whenever uh, we decide, no, on a certain things, no, minsan kasi nagiging padalos-dalos tayo, no? So, some of us, no, some of people, no, who use tarot cards, no, they're not making some excessive decisions, no, but rather they are more careful on making a decision because they are basing parang ganon, no, their decision on a tarot cards, parang ganon. Ikaw ba, Miss Ka, no? Do you really believe, no, that these tarot cards predict the future? Or if your answer is yes, so why? And why not? Parang for you ba? Ah, as a practitioner, no? Parang ikaw kasi Miss Ka, mas nauna kang
Oo, nauna ako.
gumamit ng tarot card sa akin. So as a practitioner of these cards ba, for you for you ha, this really does this tarot card really can predict the future for you?
For me, no, they can't. Oh,
Mhm.
why? Well, most experts and practitioners view tarot not as a tool to predict a fixed future, but as a way to gain clarity about the present and possible paths ahead. Here is why. Because no fixed future kasi. Wala namang alam kung anong mangyayari sa susunod na taon. Walang may alam
Yeah.
kung ano yung mangyayari sa bukas. The future is shaped saan? By our choices, actions, and changing circumstances. Tarot does not show a single inevitable outcome. Instead, it only highlights the current energy, the current tendency, the current challenges, and opportunities that are influencing your situation right now. That's why I've said earlier, it's just a mere guidance about your current situation, about the present situation. It doesn't predict anong mangyayari sa'yo kung anong mangyayari sa bukas mo, anong mangyayari sa buhay mo, ano yung, do you have a brighter future ahead? Kasi kahit pa sabihin ng baraha na maganda ang future mo, merong kang ganito, no, nasa sayo pa din yun. It is your choice to if you believe it or not. On the other hand, uh, ito yung mga sinasabi nilang mirror of the mind. The cards act as a symbolic mirror. Ayan. They reflect what you may already know deep down. What you are ignoring or what you need to pay attention to. This helps you understand your emotions and relationship better. So, ang tarot, ang binabasa lang niya is yung energy ng tao. Kung ano lang yung ipinapakita, kung ano lang yung nilalabas niyang energy, yun lang ang ilalabas ng tarot. Pero hindi siya pwedeng makapag-predict. Halimbawa, nagsabi siya na, okay, may papasok na lalaki sa buhay mo, may papasok na babae sa buhay mo. Hindi niya kayang i-predict kung sino yon, ano yung ugali niya, hindi niya maaano yon, hindi niya makikita yon. Basta ang alam lang ng card is may tao na darating sa buhay mo. That sometimes hindi niya
Kumbaga hindi
sinasabi
talaga
because of boy.
specific, no?
Yes. Pero
Oo.
that doesn't mean na maniwala ka doon. Hindi. Nasa sayo pa din kasi malay mo, sinabi niya yun, tapos hindi ka naman pala nag-Facebook, hindi ka naman nagso-social media, hindi ka lumalabas ng bahay, o paano ka makakakilala? Di ba? Sino makakilala mo? Daga.
Yes.
Wala, di ba?
Totoo.
Oh,
Wala, oo. So, a while ago, Miss Cano, parang you talk about the two subcategories of this tarot card. So we say that there are two, di ba, which is the major arcana and the minor arcana. So,
yeah.
what do you think is the significance of major arcana and minor arcana in a tarot deck?
Well, together, they form a complete system that covers every level of human experience. Like major arcana are 22 cards, meaning they
Mhm.
represents a big life lessons, major events, ayan, spiritual growth, universal archetypes, and powerful forces beyond the full control. Alam mo, dati meron akong archetype na card, yung bilog na malalaking card,
Mm-mm.
those archetypes.
Yes.
Pero hindi daw sila
Oh.
maganda. So, pinamigay ko.
Mm-mm.
Okay? Example of this major arcana, yung the Fool. Pag sinabi mong the Fool, di ba, new beginning.
Yeah.
The Lovers, ayan, favorite ng mga, ano yon.
There's also,
Oo. Ang Lovers, these are relationships,
and
choices
there's
in
also,
life.
different, di ba? Mm.
Tapos, death. Ang death, usually, natatakot yung tao sa death eh. Kasi, akala nila it's a literal death. No, it's not. It's just a transformation.
Yeah,
It's just
no.
an ending of
It's
something.
transformation, new beginning, end of something.
So, pag nagtabi si death at saka si Fool, ibig sabihin, may magtatapos sa buhay mo at may magbabago. Merong
Babago, yes, no? So,
may new beginning.
mm-mm.
And then, ang significance nila is
So,
these cards, they mark a turning point and they mark the life-changing moments or core issues that shape your path. Then again, sinasabi ko nga, it's a matter of choice kung susundin mo sila, paniniwalaan mo o hindi. Andun ka pa din dun sa, hindi dahil sabi ko nga pinag-uusapan o hindi dahil sa sinasagot yung mga tanong, that doesn't mean that you have to believe in them, but you have to stick on your faith. Yun lang. And when many major arcana cards appear in a reading, it means a situation involved. It is very important situation that is being involved in a long-term lesson or shift. Tatanong mo niyan, paano kung minor arcana? Diba? Paano kung minor arcana yung ano? Ang minor arcana covers everyday life kasi. Challenges, small decision. Kaya kapag pinag-mix mo ang major arcana and minor arcana, it tells you what is happening on a deeper or in a larger scale. Because the minor arcana tells you how it plays out in your daily life and what you can do about it. Again, it's still your choice. If you will believe or not. Ikaw, naniniwala ka ba?
Yeah.
Do you believe?
Yun nga di ba? For no, so the things that you have said, no. So major arcana, these are it represents, no, an important lesson, no. Yun nga yung mga major event and personal growth. So parang for me, no, these cards often feel more significant, no, because they focus on a bigger theme, no, sa sa life natin, no, while the minor arcana, no, on the other hand, deals with parang everyday experiences, di ba? Challenges, relationship, and emotions, di ba? No, so to me, no, the major arcana tells the larger story of a personal journey. while the minor arcana, no, focuses on the daily situations and details. So,
Yes.
uh, it really depends kasi, no, as you have said then, no, it really depends on how we're going to take the kung ano yung pinakita, no, nung mismong taro sa'yo, 'di ba? And how will you going to take it? How will you going so what really your interpretation, okay? So kasi kung if I'm not mistaken, Miss Ka, 'di ba? Pag parang meron silang meaning in a reverse form, 'di ba? Like for
Oo.
example, pag nakabaliktad, may ibang meaning 'yun. It's the other way around, 'di ba? Parang gano'n siya, 'di ba?
Ganun siya. Pero ako kasi dati, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reversal energy. Hindi ako nag ewan ko,
Oo,
hindi
oo,
ko
yung reversal. Yun yung
kasi
ano,
parang nakaka-confuse na lang sa tao kapag may reversal energy.
hmm,
Pag kasi
mm.
first, ah, parang lalong kung negative yung reading, mas lalo siyang nagiging negative pag nare-reverse siya. Although yung, 'di ba, yung the sun, kahit na i-reverse mo, kahit na itayo mo, sun pa rin siya.
Jumper, oo. Mm.
Except na lang kung talagang madilim yung katabi niya. Eh, paano kung the sun nga, reverse, tapos ten of swords ang katabi? O di,
Oo nga, oo.
nga,
Totoo yun.
di ba? Madilim pa din siya.
So,
So,
sa mga ano naman, Miss Ka, sa mga beginner ba, no, starting learning tarot card reading. So, what do you think are the common misconceptions ba? Should they avoid as a beginner? So, ikaw as a practitioner, veterana ka na sa
wala, veterano
tarot
talaga.
reading. So, yeah, yeah. As a practitioner ba, ano ba yung mga most common misconceptions that should they avoid, no? To those beginners natin na trying to start learning tarot card reading.
Ano yung dapat yung i-avoid as a beginner kung gusto nyong magtaro? Okay. Una sa lahat, hindi ko sinasabi na i-base ninyo yung faith ninyo sa tarot card. Remember, kung gusto nyo magsimula ng tarot reading, isipin nyo ng maayos. Kasi, it can lead you to something different. Ganon. Pwede ka kasing pag di ba sabi nila pag nagtataro ka, pag highly intuitive ka, malakas yung feeling mo, malakas yung pakiramdam mo.
Yes.
So, hindi ko sinasabing i-base sa mga viewers, hindi ko sinasabing i-base ninyo yung faith ninyo dun sa tarot. So, baka isipin nyo muna ng mabuti if you will go there or if you will use them or not. But if you're going to use tarot cards, you choose a deck that you can connect with. Hindi kasi pwede na kasi it's been a year or two na hindi na ako talaga nagka-card. So, ang nakikita ko is that huwag kang mamili ng deck na dahil maganda lang sila sa paningin mo, okay, kukunin mo. Hindi. Kasi, hindi lahat ng maganda sa paningin sa tarot, maganda rin yung meaning. So, kumuha ka ng tarot, ang best for beginners is rider talaga eh. They are...
Yes. Actually, I'm using the traditional tarot kasi yun kasi yung pinakauna talaga, the Rider Way, di ba? Si Rider talaga. So, actually, I have... Yeah.
They are very friendly.
Sige, Miss Ka.
Actually.
Go ahead.
They are best for beginners because the image itself clearly shows its meaning. So, kung ano yung nakita mo dun sa picture, kung paano mo siya maintindihan, yun na yun. Yun si writer. But again, you speak or you pick one deck that whose art speaks really to you. Hindi kasi pwedeng sinabi ni ganito, dito ako magsisimula. No, kung hindi ka naman komportable doon, huwag ka. O, di ba? So, pili ka lang ng deck na gustong-gusto mo talaga o nakaka-relate ka. Number 2, learn the basic. Pag-aralan mo muna, study the meaning of each card, pay attention to the images, to the symbols, what do they mean to you. Ayan, kung napapansin nyo, yung ibang gumagamit ng tarot cards, iba-iba yung mga sinasabi nila, kung ilan yung pinag-consult nyo, iba-iba yung sinasabi, kasi iba-iba din naman ang interpretation nila based dun sa image. So, intuition is an important knowledge, or it's an important thing for you to consider. Dapat kapag nagtaro ka talaga, highly intuitive ka. Yun. Number 3, start simple. Mag-umpisa ka dun sa 1 card or 3 card a day, ganon. And then, you keep a journal from there. Okay? And then you can practice regularly. Actually, kung English major ka, madali ito eh. Yung mga imagery, yung symbolism, di ba? Kasi tayong mga English major, tinuruan na tayo sa poetry, sa imagery. Remember Sir Del? Feeling ko nga, Sir Del, he's very good in this. So, what are the common misconceptions to avoid? Number 1, ang pinaka-common misconception that tarot tells the exact future. No, they cannot. Common misconception din na some cards are always bad. No, they're not. Hindi naman lahat ng tarot masama. Okay? You must be a psychic to read the tarot. No. As long as you know how to read imagery, as long as you know how to interpret, you can do that. Tarot is devil or forbidden in the Bible. Yes, it is forbidden. But then on the other hand, I don't have anything against dun sa sinabi sa Bible about this. On the other hand, again, nasa tao pa rin. It is in the person belief system. Nasa sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin, nasa sa inyo kung ano yung paniniwala nyo. But then for me, they're just a symbolic tool. Yun lang. Yun lang ang nakikita ko sa kanila.
Yeah, no? So,
ang misconception pa is sabi nila, you can't read for yourself. You can absolutely can. Kaya mo. Kaya mo na basahan yung sarili mo. It's just that, don't be biased. Huwag kang maging bias sa self mo or sa pagbabasa mo. Yun yung ano. Pero again, nasa sa inyo pa din if you really want to use them or not. Kasi ako, like what I've said, matagal na akong hindi nagbabaraha. Ikaw, alam ko nagka-card ka pa din. Talagay mo. Do you recommend like to our viewers today,
so
do you recommend
it's really
using them?
ano pala talaga, no? So, syempre not only that, no? Reading books, no, watching tutorials, and keeping a tarot journal, di ba, no, could also help, no. One misconceptions, no, kasi no, that beginner should avoid is yung parang thinking they need psychic abilities to read tarot, but it's no, di ba? Parang another is yung believing that every cards has a fixed meaning. So for me naman, in my view, tarot reading parang involves interpretation, intuition, and understanding the context of a person's situation. So it's really a case basis, no?
Anong
So
masasabi mo?
yung meaning ng card ng sun is different sa life ko. Pag sa'yo, yung meaning ng sun na yun, iba rin. Kasi we have different life, parang ganon. So yung
Anong
meaning ng
masasabi mo?
sun sa akin, iba sa
Oo.
meaning ng sun sa'yo. Yes.
Pero anong masasabi mo sa mga tao na sinasabi nila pag gumagamit ka ng tarot card, mangkukulam ka or you're a bad person? Anong
For me
opinion mo
kasi,
doon?
Actually, tarot cards is not a basis as, di ba, being quoted as mangkukulam or, di ba, siguro tanggalin na natin yung notion na gano'n, na hindi naman yun yung basis. Hindi naman correct gumagamit ng tarot card yung isang tao. They are also into a black magic, di ba? No, parang, yun nga, di ba? Kung palang gano'n, di sana wala nang mga tarot card na nabibili sa merkado. Di sana wala akong tarot card ngayon. 'Di ba? Kung yun ang ano nila, kung yun yung misconception, sana wala nang nagbebenta nitong mga tarot deck na 'to, 'di ba? So actually
Hindi kasi,
I have this Rider-Waite tarot card. So I'm using this one. Ito yung pinakaunang tarot card ko ever since. So medyo na siya, medyo luma na talaga siya. No, ito talaga siya. Ayan.
there are
So,
people kasi na pag may tarot ka, they will tell you, you're a demonic.
yeah, I get,
My
di
question is,
ba?
how can you say that I am demonic? I still pray to God. I still believe in God.
Yes,
And
exactly.
hindi ko naman sila
Hindi ko
paniniwala
naman
or
solid, di ba?
hindi ko naman sila sinasamba. Something like
Oo,
that.
di
So
ba?
how could they say that you're someone who is using tarot? They will say, you're demonic. Really?
Wow, di ba? Di ba?
Nagde-depend ba dun yung character ng tao? No.
Di ba? Oo nga, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Siguro, for me, parang nagiging notion na lang na gano'n na, if you are practicing tarot reading, parang naging notion na lang na you are into black magic or whatsoever. Dahil na rin siguro sa, I don't know, di ba, sa mga movie, di ba, once they have these tarot cards, parang
Nakakatakot.
most likely nakakatakot, ganon. Di ba? So siguro
Horror
yun yung
film.
nagiging ano nila sa mga horror
Kaya
film na they use tarot
nagkamali sila ng
as a medium to communicate to ghosts, to, di ba?
oo. Kaya nagkakamali yung tao dun sa notion ng tarot card. But
Yun nga.
during the time of existence ng tarot card, they use it for
Mm.
entertainment.
For
Actually, ang tarot
entertainment,
cards,
oo.
ang mga tarot cards, nilalaro lang ng mga bata kung makikita mo sa online. Nilalaro,
Oo, totoo.
laruan
Nilalaro
lang
lang
sila
nila.
ng mga bata.
Nilalaro lang nila, oo. 'Di ba, kaya 'di ba, 'wag na tayong mamuhay sa nakaraan, mamuhay sa kasalukuyan. Limutin na natin yung mga notion na gano'n na, 'di ba, parang, duh, 'di
Oo,
ba?
kasi ako no, for me, yeah, you
Mm,
know that I'm reading the Bible and I'm studying theology.
yeah.
Uh, all of you know that. Alam ng
Hmm,
mga viewers natin yan. Alam ng mga tao yan sa akin. But then on the other hand, hindi mo pwedeng husgahan ng tao nang dahil may tarot siya. Because tarot does not define you. Hindi ka
exactly.
dinidefine ng tarot. Number 2, wala sa tarot ang identity ng tao. At wala din sa tarot ang buhay na tatahakin ng isang tao. So, hindi basihan ang tarot para sabihin ninyo or para sabihin ng iba na ay demonic yan, ay masamang tao yan. Kasi kung
Yes,
titignan
exact.
mo, pag sinabi mong masama, bakit pumatay na ba yung taong yun using his or her card? No. 'Di ba? Baraha lang yun eh. Although masakit masugat sa papel, but those are just cards and cards are just cards. For me, kasi hindi, bakit ikaw, faith mo ba yung faith, nandun ba yung faith mo? Nasa tarot pa rin ba yung faith mo? Nasa tarot ba yung pananampalataya? Wala naman.
Wala.
Oh, so it's just,
Diba? Kaya, you know, it's not really, no, tarot, no, influence a person's. So, pero, Miss Ka, no, for you, can tarot reading, no, influence a person's decision in life? No? Ano bang view mo dito? For
uh,
example, if a reading or highlights a challenge or opportunity, a person might, ano ba yun, might think more carefully, no, before making a decision, no, making a choice, no. So people parang sometimes often use tarot as a guide, no, rather than a final answer. Yun nga, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi natin. And the most important thing is parang is to use the insight from a reading to support decision making while, no, still, of course, parang relying, no, on personal judgment and responsibility. But for you, Miss Cano, does it really influence, no, a person decision?
may ibang tao na naiimpluwensyahan sila ng tarot. Yes.
Mm.
Pero para sa akin, hindi masyadong influensive ang tarot when I'm making decision, when I use tarot. Mas influence sa akin, alam mo ano, yung mga oracle cards.
Yeah, I do have also oracle cards.
Because oracle cards, these are simply encouragement.
Mm.
Diba? They
Yeah.
simply encourage you. Ganun.
Mm.
So, mas nai-influence ako that time ng oracle kaysa sa tarot. Pero meron akong isang nabasahan noon ng card na using tarot and na-influence siya dun sa decision ng card. Ayun. So, meron namang iba na hindi sila naniwala dun sa tarot tapos yun nangyari. Hindi sila naniniwala dun
Yeah.
sa tarot na sinabi ng tarot na huwag mong gagawin to, ganito. Ginawa niya. So, o di, yun na. Nag-negative nga yung ano. So, depende talaga. So, dapat talaga highly intuitive ka.
Yeah. 'Di ba?
At
So,
saka,
Miss Ka, oh, sige, continue, Miss Ka, go ahead.
to all our viewers, if you're going to use tarot, wag masyadong, alam mo yon, sabihin ko na huwag nyo masyadong seryosohin. It's just fun, it's for fun, it's for
Yeah,
entertainment purpose.
entertainment. Yes.
Yun lang yung ano niya. Yun lang yung purpose niya. Wag nyo nang seryosohin pa, wag nyo, kung ayaw nyo maniwala, di wag. Pero wag nyo nang seryosohin pa yung, kasi doon napapasama ang tao eh. Yung pag sineryoso na niya, tapos nauuwi na doon sa witchcraft, nauuwi na sa black magic, 'di ba? Again, we don't have to judge a person. Wag nating husgahan yung tao na may tarot cards nang dahil lang may tarot siya. Ayun. Kasi hindi naman yun hindi naman nade-define ng tao or hindi naman nade-define ng tarot ang tao. Hindi niya dinidefine ng tao. Ayun. Kahit naman sa Bible sa Matthew chapter 7 verse 1 to 6, do not judge for you not to be judged. So, yun. Ayan po na medyo nag-lag po si Doc Edison na siya po ang nagsabi tungkol dito sa tarot card. Ayan. Actually, nagtataka po ako mula kanina, bakit tarot ang pag-uusapan? Ayan. Nawala siya, naka-live tayo. Nawala si Sir Edison. So, to all the viewers out there, sa mga manunood po, hindi ko sinasabi na tama. Ayan. Or, kasi nasa paniniwala pa rin po ninyo. Basta ako, I stick to my faith. Ayun. I stick to what I've learned sa Bible. 3 years na po, mag-aapat na taon na po kasi ako nag-aaral ng Bible. So, I stick to that. Yun lang masasabi ko. Hindi, kaya sabi ko, hindi ang tarot ang makakapag-predict ng future. Yun. For me, kapag gumagamit sila ng tarot, it's for entertainment purposes nga lang. Yun. So, yun lang. Hindi ko po alam kung babalik pa si Sir Edison. Pero bago yon, hello po sa mga viewers natin, si Jen, si Cici, Lia, ayan, or Sis Che. Ayan, yung mga kasama ko sa Popo. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong sumali sa Popo, magsabi lamang po kayo. Ayan, welcome na welcome po kayo. Ayan. Ayun. Oh. Nagbabalik.
Oh my God.
Iniwan mo ako mag-isa.
I know. I think natanggal yata yung ano ko.
Internet.
Wait lang, parang natanggal yung connection ko. Hindi. I don't know. May napindot yata ako. May napindot yata ako. So, Mita, I guess, so, siguro, they are now enlightened what a tarot is, and also to those beginners, no, to those beginners who want to practice also tarot. So siguro marami naman silang natutunan sa mga pinagsasabi natin, di ba?
Oo
Parang
naman.
yun nga, no, you just have to syempre, no, to still, no, not being serious on it. Siguro. Just use it as an entertainment. But wag tayong dumepende kung ano ang sasabihin ng baraha, 'di ba? So simple as that, 'di ba?
Ayan, iniimbitahan ko po kayo, inaanyayahan ko po kayo. Please like, share, and subscribe po sa YouTube channel ni Sir Edison Dizon. Ayan.
Yeah.
At kung may katanungan po kayo about literature sa English, ayan, welcome na welcome po kayo sa sa kanyang Facebook. Pwede nyo po siyang tanungin doon. At kung may gusto po kayong book, ayan, ako na po ang mismo nagre-recommend sa inyo yung mga book niya. Ayan, maganda. At meron na po akong set. Ayan, nandyan na. Okay. Sa ngayon po, binabasa ko Eventide. Ayan. So, sa lahat po ng mga nanonood, please do buy and read po yung book ni Sir Edison Dizon. Ayan. Talagang nire-recommend ko po sila. As in, marami kayong matututunan about life situation. Pero in fairness, maganda yung sa Eventide mo. Ang dami kong comment. Ayan. And then, what else? Yeah, to all the viewers out there, Little Learners is already open. Ayan. And welcome for enrollees for the class school year 2026 to 2027 po. The courses offered beginning reading, English literature, and English proficiency. Ayan, nawawala na naman po si Sir Edison. Ayan. Yun po. For more inquiries about Little Learners, please do message me sa Facebook sa Karina C. Dizon or text me dun po sa nakapost na number sa aking Facebook. Ayan. So, Sir Edison, ikaw naman. Ayan, nawala na naman po siya. Ako na naman mag-isa. Ayun. Ayan. So, yun po. So, please do like, share, and subscribe po sa YouTube ni Sir Edison Dizon. Andun po ang mga live namin. Andun po yung mga, ano ba tawag nito? Podcast namin. And hopefully sa next podcast, ayan, sa next podcast, hopefully po, babalik na po sa live lessons ang ating pag-uusapan. Ayan. So, si Jen at saka si Sis Je ay nandito pa rin. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Salamat po sa panonood. Hindi ko po alam kung nasan yung kasama ko. Ayan. Thank you po sa mga friends ko na nanood ngayong gabi. Ayan. And thank you din po sa pag-share ninyo sa live on Facebook. Hindi ko po pwedeng iwan ito kasi hindi ko siya alam kung paano siya alisin sa sa podcast. Ayan.